What's up? I'm Ben, and we're doing some more design work for a client.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Okay, so we're still working on some work for CallumSee's Twitch channel. We'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to go check him out. Last time we left off, we did his logo and his little character, and today we're gonna get his panels done. But first, a few notes he gave me on the character. Basically, it's just a little too cartoony. He wants it to look more heroic, and that's mainly happening in the face area. So we're gonna make some quick adjustments, redraw the face, make him look a little cooler, and then we'll get on to the panels. So let's fix this face up, do a little plastic surgery, maybe a rhinoplasty, and then we'll get moving along. Okay, we have fixed the character for the logo. So here's the original face there, kind of goofy, cartoonish. And here I made him look more serious, ready for battle, badass looking. So yeah, I mean, I like this a lot more too. I think it fits a lot better with it makes him look more fierce, which is what I think Callum, well, it's what he said. He wanted a more heroic looking guy, and this fucking guy looks ready to battle. So yeah, we'll send this out to him, make sure he likes the adjustments, and in the meantime, let's get started on some panels. So we have, I think 7 panels we gotta do, and I'm gonna use the banner idea that I started kind of coming up with on the Jaunt project. And so I'm thinking they're just gonna be flags, kind of like the name CallumSee's, but there'll be a pole on one side. We'll make them really long and wavy. And we'll keep this red, black, and gold color scheme. So yeah, let's get those done real quick, and then we'll be done for the day. Okay, here we are with the finished panels. It was a little tricky to do. I'm still, the pen tool is giving me some trouble. So yeah, I like kind of the long flowing banner flag type of deal. And I use the colors from his armor and his logo. And we went with the Gastronmon typeface again. I went with white this time for the color, so it really pops, easier to read. And I put it on like a type on a path. It was a little tricky to get. I think it looks pretty good. I think that it not looking perfect fits well with it like flowing in the wind, you know? So yeah, here it is. We're gonna send these out to him, make sure he likes them. If all goes well, then we're gonna bust out the gift tomorrow and we'll be done with this project. So yeah, here is this we did today. And one last look at the badass version of the logo. Thanks for watching. Go check out Callum's Twitch channel and check out some other of my videos. We'll see you in the next one.